In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the spare tire hoist in this Cadillac Escalade. This is going to be located in the back under the rear bumper. Let's get into it. In the back on the driver's side, you want to pop this panel open. Just grab and pull it out. It's just clipped in. Right here, you're going to find your jack tools. You want to grab this. On the rear bumper, take this cover off. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get in here, pry this out, and it just slides right out. Take your key. On the side there's a little button. You can pull out the cut key, slide it into the cylinder, turn it to the right, and then pull the cylinder right out. Take these two pieces out of your toolkit. They are identical, and we're going to put these together. And with the larger end, we're going to slide that in the hole. So it goes in slightly at an angle. Then you're going to take this tool, slide that on the end, and lower down the spare tire. Now pull the tire up, take the center, and you want to slide that out. Set the tire aside. I'm just using a pick and a trim tool. I'm just going to pop this cover off right here and slide that back. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to take that bolt out. Slide that out and grab the mount, and it slides right off. Grab this tube and we'll just slide this out. Before we put the new one up, you want to take this bracket off because the new one doesn't have that. Just slide that off and reinstall the tube and slide that in place. Now take the back where it clips in, slide that there, and then take the bolt, get that started, and tighten down the bolt. Make sure it's snug. Now take the tube, line that up, and lock it in place. Now put the new tire on. You may have to lower the hoist down to get this to line up. Slide that like that, then we'll raise it up. And before the tire starts raising up, you just want to make sure this piece is centered in there, just like that. Then we'll raise it up. It's okay, the tire's gonna walk around a little bit, and that's okay. If you want to stabilize it with your hand, you can. It'll level out once it gets to the top. Once it's at the top, just go a little bit more. Just give the tire a hit. Make sure it's not loose. It's good. We can take the tools out. Take the locking cylinder, line that up. Twist the key, pull it out. Now take this cover, slide it right there. Just pop it in place. Take the toolkit and you want to slide that back in position. And take the door, line that up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.